Welcome back for assignment 2 of Algebra 1 Summer 2020. So, where am I tonight? The same place I was yesterday, / assignment 1. Yep, I am still in my wife's office, but you'll notice from the windows in the back that it's getting a little bit later. The sun has gone down and it is now 9 o'clock in the evening. In today's lesson, pretty straightforward, but very tricky potentially. Today I'm just asking you to add at first. So here's an easy one, 3 plus 2. You can do that on your fingers, 3 plus 2, and get 5, right? But I want you to see it on the number line, so I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. And again, sticking with 3 plus 2. Oh no, I don't get my tools here. There's the number 3. And then I want you to see the plus 2 can be thought of as this. 1, 2 hops to the right. I missed a little bit. That should be perfectly on number 5. Okay. And then let me circle the 5 so you get your answer. Okay. And then you just write it down. 5. Simple, right? Let's do something where it takes a little more thought. I already saw this. Okay. Yeah, let's go with the pink marker for this one. So here is -6 plus a -3. So when we see that, we're going to start at the -6 right here. Okay. Now adding a negative means I'm going to go this way, plus a -1, plus a -2, plus a -3. Okay. Boom. So that's my -3 there, my -3. And my answer is -9. So I write that right there. Good, right? So I'll do a couple more with you just to make sure that we've got everything straight. I'm going to erase this stuff first. So we have already done, this one is 5. Okay. 4 plus 5 I'm not going to do with you. 7 plus 6 you can handle. Let's do this 8 plus -5 just for fun. Okay. So here's the number 8. The 8 is the starting point. So we'll find 8 on the number line here. That's it. And then it says plus a negative. So when I add a negative, I go this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So my answer here is 3. And all I have to do is write that down. Make this easier for yourself. I want you to, first of all, let me erase this. In some important looking color like red, okay? We go to the left here. We go this way when we subtract. Oh man, this is not easy to write with a mouse pad. Whenever you subtract, like 4 minus 10, anything like that, or whenever you add, a negative number, okay? And I hope you write better on your paper than I'm writing with a computer, okay? Now, my students always tell me, Mr. Manny, why do you write with all capital letters all the time? And the truth is, I don't know. It's just a weird habit. Hopefully that's easier for you. So when you subtract a negative, go to the left. that way, I think. Let me check my screenshot. Yeah, that's the left. And then go to the right whenever you're adding a positive or subtracting a negative. So that's a little tricky. So I'm going to write that here too. So whenever you add just a regular number like plus 7, you're going to go this way to the right. And this is weird. Whenever you subtract, ooh, yeah, I'm getting better at writing. That's a lot of letters. When you subtract a negative, negative number right there. Am I out of space? Yeah, I'm out of space. When you subtract the negative, you're going to go this way to the right on the number line. So on this page, it's all addition. So there's no examples of subtracting a negative, but maybe there will be in the next page or in the IXL page coming right up. For this page, it's kind of crazy. It says here, the problems on this page are too hard. Really? Make them easier by finding opposites. There we go. And getting rid of them. Getting rid of them means to make them go away. Goodbye, you're out. Okay? And so here's their example. They have a positive 8 and a negative 8 here. And those are opposites. One is positive, one is negative, and so that makes a 0. Okay? So I'll do one of these for you and with you, and we'll see how we do. Here I have a 5, and here I have negative 5. So I can do this. 5, goodbye, adios, halas, salam alaikum. And I'm left with 2 plus 6. And of course, what's 2 plus 6? I can handle that. That is 8. That's it. Let's go on to the hard stuff now. Okay, and for this part of the assignment, you're going to go to a new place called ixl.com. Okay, check that out there. And it should take you to something like this. First time here? No, we've already been through that. You're going to put your username here and your password here, and your username and password are in the Google Classroom. So be sure to write yours down. Okay, and after you sign in, there's all kinds of places to go. I want you to go straight to learning. Okay, and the very first assignment is in Algebra 1, B1. So go all the way down here to where it says A1, Algebra 1. Okay, that's us. We're going to see all 344 skills. Okay, we're not going to do 344 skills. And the first assignment for our class is B. Here's the letter B right here. Let me see if I can highlight that. There we go. There's the B, and we're doing just number 1. Okay. Now, once you open it up, you got to answer some questions, obviously. And the first one is, if I have negative times a negative, is that positive or negative? Hopefully from your previous coursework, you know that negative times a negative is positive. So you choose your answer and you just hit submit. Nice. So for the very first question, it gave you 10 points, all right? Later on, as you go, it's going to give you less and less points. Your job is to get to at least a score of 70, okay? And if you can go after that, great. If you get all the way to 100, that's fantastic. You'll get a little certificate. Okay, and I think that's it for IXL. Do your best and shoot me a text if you need help. Thank you very much. I will see you for assignment 3.